Okay, we have to find the voltage at these two nodes. So let's start by writing a nodal equation. So it'll be node 1. Let's write the direction of current. Let's say this is moving in this direction. Let's call it I1. Let's say this is moving in this direction, and let's say this is moving in this direction. Okay, so we see 5 amps is entering the node, and this will be equal to anything that's leaving the node. So it'll be I1 plus I2. And for node 2, we see 10 amps is entering the node, and I2 is entering the node, and 5 amps and I3 are leaving the node. Okay, now we have to find equations to substitute I1, I2, and I3 for. So I1, we know that this will be V1, and it's going from a high potential to a low potential, and we know this will be 0 volts as it's the ground node, so it'll be V1 minus 0 all over 2. I2, it'll be from V1 to V2, so this will be V2, so it'll be V1 minus V2 all over 4. And I3, it'll be V2 minus 0 all over 6. So let's start plugging everything in. And the second one will be so now let's simplify this more and isolate for 1. So this one, it'll be, let me just erase this. It'll be 5 equals 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4. 0.75 V1 minus 0.25 V2. And this one, it will be, let's bring the 5 to the other side, so it'll be 5, and then let's bring the other thing to the other side. So it'll be minus 0.25 V1 plus 0.4167 V2. Okay, so now let's isolate for one of them. So let's work with this one. Sorry, I forgot to add the V2 here, so yeah, my apologies. Let's bring the 15 to the other side, so it'll be 20 here. This will end 1.25 V2 minus 0.25 V2. Sorry, I forgot the V2. That'll just be V2. So we already know what V2 is. We can find V1. So it'll be 1.6668 times 20 minus 20, and that gives us 13.336 volts. And these are your two answers.